Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says solve for x in 5 to the power of x equals to 60. So we are going to solve for the value of x. So we have here solution. So we are given 5 to the power of x equals to 60. So when we have equation like this, when we have a variable, a constant to the power of a variable, what we are going to do is for us to introduce log to both sides. So this will say apply log to both sides. So this will become log 5 to the power of x equals to log 60. So here we recall, say note, when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. Applying this law of logarithm to this expression, this will become x log 5 equals to log 60. So here for us to find the value of x, we need to divide both sides by log 5. So this will become x log 5 all over log 5 equals to log 60 all over log 5. So here log 5 will cancel here and it cancel here. Therefore we have x equals to log 60 all over log 5. So here we can write the value of x equals to 60 is the same thing as 12 times 5. So this will become log 12 times 5 all over log 5. So here can be written as x equals to log 12 times 5. When we recall law of logarithm that says when we have log AB is same thing as log A plus log B. Expressing this in that format, we have here log 12 plus log 5 all over log 5. We can separate this. So here will become x equals to log 12 all over log 5 plus log 5 all over log 5. Here log 5 cancel here and log 5 cancel here. So we are now left with x equals, so we take this one first, 1 plus log 12 all over log 5. 12 can also be written as 4 times 3. So this can be written as x equals 1 plus log 4 times 3 all over log 5. So in that case, we will have the value of x equals to 1 plus, expressing this in this format, we have here as log 4 all over log 5 plus log 3 all over log 5. Log 4 here, 4 is written as, or can be written as 2 to the power of 2. So we have the value of x equals to 1 plus log 2 to the power of 2 all over log 5 plus log 3 all over log 5. This is too small. Then let's come over to this other side so that we see space. So here, the value of x will be equals to 1 plus, here we recall that expression. That 2 can come to the front. We have log 2 all over log 5, then we have plus log 3 all over log 5. So that is what we have from there. So in this case, we can see that we have this. And also recall that when we have log A all over log B is same thing as log A base B. Expressing each of these to this expression, this will become x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. So this is the value of x that we have. We can do a little check for us to see when we substitute this into this expression whether we have 60 from the other side of the equation. So we have here as check, when we have 5 to the power of x, will this equals to 60 when we substitute the value of x. So the value of x equals to, when we have 5 to the power of 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Will this equals to 60? So in this case, we can see that this can go here, or we can separate this when we have a to the power of x plus c is same thing as a to the power of x times a to the power of c. Expressing this in this format, this will give us 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 2 log 2 base 5 times 5 to the power of log 3 base 5. Will this give us 60? Let's find out. So here 2 can go here. So we have here 5 to the power of 1 is 5 times 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 2 base 5 times 5 to the power of log 3 base 5. Will this give us 60? We also recall that when we have a to the power of log b base a is same thing as b. So expressing this in this format, we have here as 5 times 5 to the power of this will give us 2 to the power of 2. Then we have here, this will give us 3. Will this equals to 60? So in that case, we have there 5 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Then we have here times 3. Will this equals to 60? So 5 times 4 will give us 20 times 3. Will this equals to 60? We all know that 20 times 3 is 60 equals to 60. Therefore, what we have here is what we have here. Therefore, x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 satisfy that expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.